हे एवरीवन, वेलकम टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल अगेन। तो आज मैं आपके लिए लेकर आई हूँ क्लास 1 की मैथ्स की वर्कशीट, जो कि मैंने नोटबुक पे ही बनाई है और कुछ टॉपिक्स को इसमें कवर करने की कोशिश की है। बेसिकली इसमें जो टॉपिक कवर किए हैं वो इनिशियल डेज़ के जो क्लास 1 के टॉपिक्स होते हैं मैथ्स के, वही मैंने कवर करने की कोशिश की है, जिसमें कि ऑलमोस्ट रिविज़न रहती है यूकेजी के सिलेबस की। तो चलिए बिना देरी किए इसको स्टार्ट करते हैं। Shall we start, Prince?
Yes, Mama.
Okay, Betu. First one is fill in the blanks. You have to fill up these blanks. Okay. So, yeah, 110 equal to
10 ones.
okay, right here. 10 equal to how many ones?
100.
Or you can say 10 equal to 100. Okay. Then 7 tens, 3 ones equal to 73. No need to write any one sentence because already done here. Okay. 89 equal to how many tens and how many ones?
8 tens
Okay.
and 9 ones.
Okay. Very good. Next, read the sentence.
Is 4 dash is 4 tens and 2 1. 42.
Very good.
Is this good?
That is very nice. Next one.
23 has dash tens and dash ones. Just opposite of this.
Okay, right here. 23 has how many tens?
2.
Yeah, right here.
Here,
2 tens and
3 ones.
3 ones. Very good. तो ये जो टॉपिक है यहाँ पे हमने टेंस एंड वंस के टॉपिक को कवर किया. वेरी गुड. So next we have write the number names for the given numeral. Okay, do you know which part called numeral and which one is number names? That is numeral, numeric form.
That
And
I'm gonna write will be number names.
Okay, very good. Write here number names.
112.
Okay, write the spelling. First letter capital.
1. 12. And this.
Next. Next is 159. 159.
And 59.
Okay, 159. Okay. Next is
Write the numeral and the number names.
write the numerals and the number names. Okay. 6 tens, 7 1 is 67. Now you have to write the number names of 67.
Oh, so right.
Right here, right here.
6.
67.
7.
Very good.
8 tens and 3 ones.
8 tens and 3 ones will become 83. Now you have to write the number names of 83. Okay, let's see what will be the next. Next we have what comes after? It's a fun game.
Yes.
Okay. Start now. First is 100. What comes after 100?
101.
101. Very good. Next is 104.
1.
What come after 104?
105.
Excellent. Next will be 108. So what comes after 108?
109.
Excellent. So next we have what comes before?
The second puzzle.
The second puzzle. Okay.
130.
What comes before
129.
129? Excellent. So what comes before 107?
106.
106. Very good. So next
It will be 149.
it will be okay.
149.
What comes before 150? It will be 149. Excellent. So next we have fill in the missing number. You have to fill the blanks with the proper number. Okay. 101
It's
and
a
one.
mix of these two.
Yeah, we can also say only for this. That is between.
No. Here will
Okay.
be after. Here will be between.
Here is before, here will be after.
After.
It's a between.
And
It's
it's
a sequence, series, missing number. That's why we are calling it missing numbers. Started. 101 dash 103.
102.
102. Very good. And what's missing here?
105.
100.
And 104.
Oh, it means you are writing here before and after both together.
Yeah.
Very good. And next is
110, 101.
111. Yes, triple one. 111 and 112. Excellent. And next what we have? Next put greater than or less than sign. Okay. It's my favorite. Okay, which one is greater than? Where will crocodile's mouth will open? Crocodile will eat 29.
Because he is a hungry monster.
Yeah, because crocodile is so hungry.
Crocodile will not eat this. It is
He only likes the bigger one. Yeah. Okay, next.
Crocodile will eat this.
Crocodile will eat 68 because crocodile always likes bigger numbers. So that is the method greater than की symbol को learn करवाने का. Because greater than क्या होता है, जो भी value बड़ी होती है उसकी तरफ आपका जो माउथ है वो ओपन रहता है. ये वी शेप जो सिंबल है, तो दैट इज़ द वे टू लर्न. That's why we are using this method. Crocodile's mouth will open only for the big numbers. So that is the file and these are the topics for today. Hope आपके लिए ये हेल्पफुल रहेंगे. मिलते हैं हम नेक्स्ट वीडियो में किसी और टॉपिक के साथ और किसी और सब्जेक्ट्स की वर्कशीट के साथ. तब तक के लिए अपना ध्यान रखिए. टेक केयर. बाय बाय.